Probably you've never seen me before and you have no idea who I am. My name is Peter Simon, I'm 19 years old, and when I was younger, I always wanted to make money online, but I had no clue where to start. I watched many videos on YouTube about it, but 90% of it was full of bullshit. I always found fake gurus who promise you fast and easy money-making methods. And of course, they never tell you anything useful in their videos. They just want you to buy their course for $1,000. I had enough of this mentality. I want to create something different. On this channel, I'm not here to sell you anything. I want to show you real ways and ideas how to make, save and invest money. This is my very first video on YouTube and I just wanted to say hello in this short clip. Currently I'm working 3 other videos about social media growth and online money making. I'm gonna upload them within a few days. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel and come with me.